Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter is going on, that is numbers beyond 9999. Children, we have completed our exercise 1A and exercise 1B of this chapter. Today, I am going to explain you the new topic, that is face value and place value. So, for that, today I will explain you the topic, then I will give you the questions from the examples given in your book for your classwork. And for your homework, what you will do? You will practice exercise 1A, exercise 1B very well, and if you will have any problem regarding any exercise or question, so you can ask me on group. So children, let's start. Now, children, open your book, take out page number 13. We will go through the new topic, that is face value of a digit. So, if you all are having books, take out it, open page number 13 and see from your book. Face value of a digit. Consider the number 2,95,630. It has 6 digits. The number it is having 6 digit, that is 295,613. Counted, they are 6 in number. Here 29561 and 3 are the 6 digit. We say that in 2,95,613 the face value of 2 is 2, 9 is 9, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 1 is 1 and 3 is 3. Clear? So, this you can see, the face value of a number, of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself regardless of the position of the digit in the number. The face value means that the face value of the number will be the digit itself. Suppose that if it is asking to tell the face value of 2, so face value of 2 will be 2 only, not 2 lakh. You have to tell the face value, so you will tell the digit itself, not the position of this digit. Clear? Once again, the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself regardless of the position of the digit in the number. Clear? For example, example 1 is given. Find the face value of. First question is 2 in 1,95,263. So you have to tell the face value of 2 here. What will be the face value of 2? In 1,95,263 is 2 only, because the face value is of the number is the digit itself. So 2, the face value of 2 is 2 only. B question, 5 in 25,134. Answer will be face value of 5 in 25,134 is 5. Clear? The face value of 5 will be 5 only. C, question number C is 8 in 1,63,548. I have to tell the face value of 8 here. So, what will be the face value of 8? Face value of 8 in 1,63,548 is 8. Face value of 8 will be 8 in the given number. Question number D, 6 in 60,053. So, face value of 6 in 60,053 is 6. It means the face value of 6 will be 6 only. So, here by this example, you have learned that the face value of our digits in any number is the value of the digit itself. Means the digit itself will be the face value of the same number. So this is called face value. Now next topic is place value. Place value of a digit in a number. The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its face value and the place it occupies in the place value chart. It means that in place value, face value multiply value of the place it occupies in the place value chart, that is called place value. Means if and it is asking the place value of any number, so then you will take the number itself and the position of that number. Let's see in the chart. The chart is given ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Consider the number. For example, a number is given 6 lakh 18,359. Let us arrange its digit in the place value chart. What you will do, this is the place value chart. You will put the digit. Suppose that at the place of ones 9 is given. So you will write 9 here, 9 multiplied by 1, because face value multiplied by the value of the place. Then 5 will be at tens, 5 multiplied by 10. 3 will be at hundreds, 3 multiplied by hundreds. 8 will be at 1000, 8 multiplied by 1000. 1 will be at 10,000, so 1 multiplied by 10,000. Again 6 will be at lakh, so 6 multiplied by 1 lakh. So this way you have arranged all the digits according to their places. From the above place value chart, we have 9 is at ones place. So its place value is 9 ones. That is 9 multiplied by 1 will be 9. So this how we are taking out the place value of a digit. Then 5 is at tens place. So its place value is 5 tens. That is 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. 3 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 300. That is 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. 8 is at thousands place. So its place value is 8,000 is equal to 8 multiplied by 1000, that is 8,000. 1 is at tens place. So 1 will be multiplied by 10,000. So it will be 10,000. 6 is at lakhs place. So it will be 6 lakh. 6 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 6 lakh. So this way you are taking out the place value of a number. After that, today in your classwork I am going to give you example number 2 and 3. You will do these example in your classwork copy. Clear? And for your homework you will prepare which I taught today, face value and place value once again. You will repeat these topics. You read it, learn it, that what I have told. So if you will have any doubt from these topics, so you can ask me on group. Now take out your copies. Let's start solving the examples.